gun it. That was an aggressive backfire.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you watched my previous video, I went over what was going on in my life right now and the reasons why I wasn't posting videos. I miss the car scene, I miss modifying cars, and I miss making content on this channel. If you guys didn't watch my previous video, I went over a couple things and a couple reasons why I wasn't posting videos. The main one was that my dad passed away from stage 4 cancer this past January. And this past month, my grandpa actually passed away as well. I had a lot of family stuff going on. I wasn't too motivated to make videos or do a lot of other things as well. And my dad was the person who got me into cars when I was younger. He was always modifying cars when I was growing up. He had several Mustangs he modified, and I always watched him and did stuff with him. I went to car shows, car meets, went to races with him, and those are the best memories I've had with my dad. And to be honest, he was taken away too quick. He was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer 2 months before he passed away. It all happened really fast. And on this channel, I made more than 300 videos, and whenever I was going through a hard time, making a video, filming it, editing it, posting it on YouTube, always made myself feel better. It took my mind off things. And the main reason why I wasn't posting car content was it reminded me of my dad. So I want to start posting consistent videos on this channel. Of course it's going to be car content, but I want to add some personal stuff on this channel as well. So today we're going to go on a point of view drive in my 2020 Subaru WRX. And I had some modifications on it, but not too many. I got my Subaru WRX March of 2022. I've had a WRX for about a year and 5 months. And it's crazy, I haven't done any new modifications in a very long time. Whenever I get a new car, I always do so many mods. I have a plan in my head, and usually right when I get the car, I do everything I can to make my vision come to life. And like I said, I miss the car scene, I miss doing modifications, and I want to make my WRX the WRX I know it could be. And today we're going to do a point of view drive with my WRX. Perfect fall weather in the Chicago area today. Perfect boost weather. I have a lot of different passions. One being cars, modifying them, racing, videos, going to car shows and car meets, and so on. Second is working out, going to the gym, bodybuilding, getting stronger, nutrition, and living a healthy lifestyle. And another thing I'm passionate about, and this is a new passion for myself in the last maybe 2 years now, it was something my dad absolutely loved, which he got me into it before he passed away, was knives and collecting different kinds of pocket knives and so on. And I've been really getting into the knife scene lately, looking at the different brands of knives, different styles of knives and so on, different materials, and it's something that my dad was really into that he got me into before he passed, so it does mean a lot to me. I apologize for the long intro. It's been a while since I made a video. We'll head down to the garage right now. Hope you guys enjoy this point of view video, and let's get this going. Alright guys, so these are my Work Emotion CR Kiwamis that I bought about a year ago for the WRX. And right now, they're not in the best condition. There's a bunch of curb rash. The tires are not in the best shape. And look how bad that curb rash is right there. So what I'm doing is I'm going to get these wheels powder coated bronze. I feel like the bronze is going to look a lot better than the black. Black does look good with the red paint, but I feel like bronze Work Emotion CR Kiwamis will look absolutely phenomenal. So I think later today I'm going to take these off. I'm going to put on my spare wheels for right now. And these are the wheels that came with my car. These wheels don't look too bad whatsoever. I'm not too familiar with this brand. I think it's called Focal. And I'm going to take these off. I have an appointment to get these powder coated already. So hopefully by next week, these will be bronze and I'll have brand new tires for my Work Emotion CR Kiwamis. Also upstairs in my penthouse suite, I have aero pieces I need to get installed. I have a front lip, side skirts, and rear diffuser that I need to get installed very soon. I've had them for about a year now, I just haven't gotten them put it on. But I feel like once those are put on, it's going to transform the car completely. let's get in the car now and get this point of view drive going.
Alright guys, let's get this point of view drive going here. Trying something a little bit different today. Usually I use a head strap, but today I'm going to use this chest strap and see if it gives you a better view. If your view is too low, I apologize. I have this high up on my chest, but we'll see how this goes. Alright, car is warmed up. And the weather, like I said, perfect boost weather today. And keep in mind, I do have a stock downpipe right now. That would be the next power upgrade for myself. And especially on E85, I would be making bigger power. And right now the induction noise is so loud, it sounds so good. And my car, like I said, my car is not the fastest, but it sounds so good. And it does have decent pickup. So it's about 1 p.m. right now, so there's not going to be many people on the roads right now. I should have an open highway, do a couple open pulls for you guys. And not gonna lie, it feels good to be filming on this channel again. I actually feel motivated to do mods to my WRX, and I have a couple things I want to do. I'm looking to get another car, project car. The easy pick for me would be to get a new BRZ, but second thing would be a manual Supra, which is a bit more money, but they're both up in the air right now. All right, first acceleration here. Even when I downshift, I get a good amount of backfire. And I apologize for the radar sound, but this radar saved my ass so many times. I've had this for maybe 4 or 5 years now. And so the ramp on the highway is right there. Hopefully there's no one in front of me, so I'll have a straight shot onto the highway. I'll do a pull from maybe 20 up to maybe 90, 100 miles per hour. And then I'll do a couple pulls on the way back home. And my radar is saying there's a cop really close. So before I do anything, gotta make sure I have the okay. All right, onto the highway here. I just hit 80, and of course the truck in front of me here. Downshift to third gear and gun it. I absolutely love this car. Don't get me wrong, I do miss my BRZ I traded in for this. For me, it's as fun as the BRZ. It's a different experience having an all-wheel drive boosted car. And it sounds absolutely phenomenal. And I hope the GoPro picks up the exhaust notes of this, because if it's not, I really hope it's doing it justice. When I shift under load, there's backfire. When I downshift, there's a little bit of backfire. Not too much, but just enough where it's honestly perfect. One thing I was possibly looking to do is to change the color of my car. I love the red paint, the pure red. But I feel like changing the color for me will be like a new start for the car, if that makes sense. It'll signify a new start for this build. And I feel like getting a darker color would be something more my style. And not to be cliche, but getting like a dark gray metallic like my BRZ, honestly love that color. It would look great on the WRX. And I don't know, maybe something, or maybe like a dark blue. Like a really dark midnight blue would look absolutely sick. I'm not sure, but one of my buddies does own a wrap shop, and I'll check out different colors, and I'm really debating on doing that. I want to do a couple of good accelerations for you guys. Stand still, maybe get up to maybe 50, 60 miles per hour. Get some good exhaust sounds from you guys. And like I said, I hope the GoPro is doing my exhaust justice. All right, quick downshift. Let's gun it. That was an aggressive backfire. It's hard to tell through the camera, but my car isn't obnoxiously loud. Like my BRZ with the unequal length header was so loud with the NVIDIA exhaust. My WRX definitely is more refined, I would say. It sounds great, the exhaust note, the induction noise, the backfire, but it's not obnoxiously loud. Let's do a quick U-turn and we'll gun it. It never gets old. I've had this setup for more than a year now, and I honestly love it. Alright guys, just got home. I'm on the video right here, and this is the current setup I have. This whole goofy body strap with the GoPro, and my head strap broke, and that's what I would usually use. I apologize if the camera was a little bit low. If it is, I'll get a new head strap and I'll use that next time for a point of view drive. So please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave a comment down below if you like these point of view videos. I have a lot of big things planned for the WRX, and I have this vision in my mind, and I want to bring that to life. And that's the one thing I love about modifying and building a car, is that progression and doing mods slowly over time until you get that final product that you absolutely love. And honestly, you know, we have a car project, it never really ends, but I love the road to getting there. Like I said, I haven't been committed to this channel for a while due to a lot of things, but mostly the passing of my dad and my grandpa. And honestly, I miss making videos, I miss doing car stuff, and I want to really get back into it full force, and I want to make this car my dream car. And I do respond back to every single comment I get. It feels good to be back. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.